Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you something really cool. This is going to be kind of like a dual border. So I have two permanent markers here. They're Sharpies. I have a green and a brown one. I just picked out two random colors. So here's how this is going to work. Uncap this one, uncap this one. Line them up, and then what you do is now grab two more colors of your choice. They don't have to be the ones that I use. So we're going to do neon orange and regular orange here. Uncap them. Just like that. Now you want to do this again, and you're going to get a 3D effect. All right. So now we have neon green and purple. There we go. Yes, the purple is kind of running out of ink. So this is what it looks like. And this is your 3D effect. So to finish this off, I'm going to use two more colors. All right, so we're going to use purple and red. And there you have it, your 3D effect. It's a framed 3D effect. Pretty cool, huh? So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, click that bell for more notifications.